Today I'll share some farewell gift ideas and party decorations that you can use the next time you have some friends who are moving away. It can be so hard to say goodbye when good friends pack up to move away to another neighborhood, another congregation, or worse yet, a different city, state, or country. You're happy for them, but you will also miss them so much. A great place to get some inspiration is Pinterest. Here I found some simple, inexpensive, yet heartfelt gift ideas to share. The first item is table decor. My client wanted an assortment of beautiful quotes to be displayed on all of the guest tables and the gift table, so I printed and framed them. Some of them were scriptures and some were excerpts from poems. Next is a gift, a plaque that reads, "Never underestimate the difference you made and the lives you've touched. Enjoy the next chapter." This plaque is from Amazon. You can't go wrong with an edible gift of chocolate-covered strawberries. The tag appropriately says, "Miss you very much." In fact, the next few gifts are edible. In a simple mason jar, give the gift of mixed nuts with a tag that says, "We will go nuts without you." Use the tag "Happy Trails" for some trail mix. This one is cute. It says, "Until we meet again, here are some hugs to make you grin." Hershey's hugs are a little different from Hershey's Kisses. They are milk chocolate kisses hugged by white cream layers. But we can't give hugs without the kisses, so this tag says, "We're sending you off with warm wishes and many kisses." How about this one? "We will miss you to pieces." A jar full of Reese's Pieces. After the event, all of these treats will pack neatly into a decorated box called Survival Kit, or you could label the box "How to Survive Without Us." Now for the beverages. Gift them a bottle of their favorite wine with a tag that reads, "I said I wouldn't cry, so I'll just whine." For coffee drinkers, travel cups are always appreciated, with a tag of course that says, "Gonna miss you a latte." The travel cup is a gift by itself, but I took it a step further and filled my cups with vanilla latte. When I think of coffee, I also think of donuts, with a sign that says, "Do not forget us." This is perfect to set up at the office for a coworker who is leaving, either on their desk or in the break room for everyone to enjoy. These next few ideas, I didn't actually use them for this event, but I will use them in the future. They are great ideas that I thought were worth sharing. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, now would be a good time to press the thumbs up button. You can also help fund the channel by pressing the Super Thanks button and giving a contribution monetarily. I'll keep those videos coming for you. Another great gift idea is to make a puzzle piece that says, "Thank you for being a piece of our lives." Then I would take it a step further by having a really fun group photo of the friends sent over to Walgreens, CVS, or the Walmart photo department and have it cut into a jigsaw puzzle. Can you imagine them assembling this puzzle later only to find this beautiful, memorable surprise? I would love it. And for this one, take a bottle of Heinz ketchup and replace the labels with ones that say, Bon voyage, it's never easy to say goodbye, let's catch up soon. Every time they use their catch up, they will think of you. Getting back to the ideas I used for my client's event, I included a memory box for friends to write down their favorite memory they shared with the family who was leaving. This one is the icing on the cake. It's a cake topper that says, "Who said you could leave?" Available from Amazon. As a personal gift to the family, I took one of their family photos, enlarged it to a glossy poster size, changed the background, and added a caption scripture from Isaiah 6:8 that says, "Here I am, send me." This one actually brought them to tears. Lastly, I set up a photo backdrop to create even more photo memories from the farewell event. The banner reads, "A sweet ending to a new beginning." Let me know in the comments below which idea was your favorite. Share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching.